big bridge. Not 3D printed, but still very cool. Hey everybody, so heading over to Tangible Labs in St. Petersburg, Florida. They're going to be doing a showcase for some 3D printers, and I wanted to check it out. So let's see what they got. Alright, so here we are. Well, at least I think we're here. It's somewhere over that way. But let's go find it and see what they've got in there. That's why there's a case on it. Oh,
Yes.
and we're filming. That's going on YouTube. So here we are, 3D printer heaven. Our guide, what was your name again? Brandon? I'm Tony, nice to meet you.
I'm Tom, it's my wife Lucy.
I got my friends here.
Probably forget all your names, but
I'll let you guys come walk over here while it's printing after we get it going. But essentially, let's call out a couple parts on here so you know what I'm talking about. This right here is the print head, and it pulls this filament, the feedstock, in. It's got a little motor that turns a little gear that grabs onto the filament and pulls it through. The very bottom is a hot end, and that gets super, super hot, and that's what melts the plastic. If you've ever used a glue gun, it's the exact same thing. Exact same thing. It's just a little bit more precise than a glue gun. Hopefully more precise than a glue gun. And so what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and hit the print button. So it's just like printing on something like a Word document. You just, instead of hitting print, you just hit run. You know, all the programs call it something different, but it's essentially the same thing. So what's happening right now that I've turned it to print, is this part right here, the bed surface right here, it's called the print bed. And on our machine and a lot of machines, it's a piece of glass, and underneath that is a heating board. You can see one right here on that machine. It's essentially the same one. And that's going to get really hot. It's going to be hot enough to boil water. And it gets hot to make the plastic sticky, so that it wants to bond to it. And then to help it out, we have magic fairy dust. Believe it or not, they still sell this stuff. And we usually just like Crisco, or like some frying oil or something like that, just spray it on there. And once the thing comes up to temperature, it'll go ahead and start printing. And that's pretty much all there is to it. But it's actually, as long as I've been into this, every time we do a print, I always wanted to sit here and stare at it.
Yeah.
I got work to do over there, but I'm always over here looking at this thing, wanting to watch it do its thing. So, let me see. Yeah, this is one reason why we like the software package. It allows us to monitor. The red line is the hot end, which is the little print head, and the yellow line is the heated bed. And once it comes up to temperature, it'll just take off and start printing it.
maybe that you have to meet.
We're able to successfully print adjustable. It's like, holy smokes.
parts. What kind of resolution do you guys get out of your, like, X resolution? Yeah. 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 That's good stuff. So do you know what he's printing on right here, right now?
Probably
0.2. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got to meet some cool people up in St. Pete at Tangible Labs. They have a website if you want to check out the kind of stuff they print to sell, and they also have a 3D printer that they build and design, and you can buy that too. It's called the Monolith. Pretty cool stuff, pretty cool guys. I'll see you next time.